Hey up YouTubers, Simon B here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all keeping safe out there. Well, it's a Saturday morning. It's absolutely peeing it down outside. So today I thought, let's do a bit of a review. The guys from Rideiron have been in touch and sent me this beautiful box full of goodies. You might have seen my socials a couple of weeks ago regarding a new set of gloves they were bringing out. So today, because of the weather outside, I thought, let's do a review of these. They have been worn in anger. Worn them a couple of weeks ago when we did Salter Fell on the way there. Anyway, I'll tell you all about that. Anyway, if you're in the market for a set of heated gloves, as they say, stick around and stay tuned.
Like and subscribe.
We did a review on Rideiron last year on a pair of gloves that they sent us. Great pair of gloves, worn them all over winter, kept my hands nice and warm. This year they brought out an updated version, and this one has intelligent heating. We'll go into that in a minute. So if any people out there that don't ride in the winter, there's probably no point in going forward because you'll all put your bikes away probably by now. It's November now, but yesterday it was 15 degrees. December, for the last 5 years, Boxing Day has been 15 degrees. Why are you putting your bikes away, guys? I don't know. Salt doesn't come out until we get a bit of a frost, and I think the last frost, I think we had 2 frosts last year. We're not getting them. It's all sort of changed a little bit, so I don't know. Maybe riding habits need to be changed. I don't know. And something like this would help you ride during them times. There's times in summer when you're getting up, the sun's out, and you're riding out and it's only 6 degrees, but for some reason in winter when it's 15 degrees some people don't seem to want to ride. I don't get it. Anyway, so this package turned up the other day. They said they were going to send me. This came out, these were officially launched on the 5th, which was ECMA. You'll notice the difference between the last pair. They're not as long in the gauntlet, as you can see, which is quite nice. It's sort of not full gauntlet, but not short glove. It's sort of just sort of in between, and I quite like that because sometimes with your gauntlet coming down here, it's a little bit long, and sometimes a short one in the middle of winter is no good. It's got the label, apparently, usual sort of stuff on them. Hard knuckle protectors. It's got knuckles. What do you call them? Finger joint protectors. What do you call them? Slider again. First thing you do when you go down your bike is put your hands out like that. It's just a human instinct, and the plastic thing there is to allow it to slide, so you don't go like that and snap your wrist. That's what that is for. If but you already knew that, didn't you? It's got a wrist loop which you can tie up, which you should tie up because that stops it from being ripped off when you're in an accident, so your gloves still stay on your hand. And then it's got the velcro fitting on the end of the glove to tighten up against whatever you've got there. What comes in the box? 2 gloves, which is good. Carry bag, carry case, carry bag to put your gloves in when you're not using them. A load of paraphernalia regarding these things, how to use. Comes with a buff. The good thing that Iron Jace does as well is no, sorry, wrong one. One thing that Iron Jace does is to give you a lead which plugs into USB and then plugs straight into each glove, so you don't have to use them off batteries. So whilst you're on your bike, you could plug these in. You could have a power bank in your pocket, run these down your sleeves and into each glove. You could do all sorts with them, but that comes with it, which is quite good, which has the same connection which is in the glove itself. Instructions, usual thing, throw them away, lads. Nice sticker, and that's what comes in the box. These have been worn in anger. We're out on the new 690, which is a video you've probably already seen by now, and on the way to Salter Fell from here, 38 mile, it was about 6 degrees I think it was. So I took these in, got about from here to Newbury Bridge, about 6 mile away, got cold and stuck these on. The good thing I like about Iron Jace is that the battery that comes with them has a USB charging point on them. If you forget your double charging lead, you can still charge these up because you've probably got a USB-C for your phone, and you won't forget your phone charger, will you? You know what I mean? So that's good on that, and it has the colours of charging in the top, so it has all the technology in the top of them, which makes the battery a little bit bulkier than other people, but I think it's quite an advantage because you'll never not be able to charge these batteries. The sizing, I would say, is probably a size smaller than European. I usually take a medium. I'm a 9, which is usually a medium in good gloves. I'm on a large here. Possibly, I don't think I would have probably needed to go any further because they are new and they're just a little bit sort of awkward to get on. They're just about right. So if you are looking at purchasing a pair, I would look at possibly going up a size. Well, anyway, you could do going up a size so you can get the air inside warm, which will give you more insulation that allow you to be more comfortable within the glove. There's nothing worse than a tight fitting glove, and them being textile, they won't stretch as leather does. So when you buy a leather glove, you should buy it to fit you because it will stretch. When you buy a textile glove, you buy one size up, especially in a winter glove, to get the air around it to warm up, and because it won't stretch because it's textile. The normal pocket inside, so that's the connection. Like I said, the connection that came with them, which allows you to work from USB, plug straight into them if you want to do that. The battery itself plugs straight in and goes into its pocket. And zips right up. The only thing I haven't found on them, which I was slightly disappointed with, for some reason, there's no wiper to wipe your visor. They're fully waterproof and breathable, but there's no wiper. On the last year's pair, there was. I did notice that the other day, and I thought, oh, that's I don't know what's happened there. So anyway, we'll probably find out regarding that. Heating controls is long press on, comes to red, heats up in 3.5 seconds, up to 55 degrees. It's got carbon heating elements in it, so it hasn't got copper in them, stuff like that. So because of the carbon, you can wash these. Another short press onto green, which is medium, and blue is onto low. Low, they're claiming 7 hours on low. What that temperature is, I don't know, but put it this way, it'd be better than having that on than none at all, wouldn't it? This thing now has intelligent heating. Apparently it adjusts the inside temperature according to the outside the temperature. There's nothing worse of riding throughout the day, or even when the first couple of hours when you've got these turned on, that the temperature goes up out on the ambient temperature, and then all of a sudden you're a bit warm. Now if you put these on in intelligent heating, it detects the outside temperature and adjusts the inside temperature to whatever the outside has gone to. So if it's gone colder, it will put them up. If it's gone warmer outside, it will put the temperature down. Not tried them yet. I just had a bit of a fling out. I had them on red just to see what they were like. To get into that mode is long press on and 2 quick presses, which gives you an orange light, which as you can see pulsates. Bit of a pulsating light there for you, which puts it into smart mode. Currently I have no idea what the prices are. I would say they're probably about the same price as last year, somewhere around about 129 plus 15-20% discount on all you guys, with a description down with a link down below. I think they're usually around about half the price of any other competitor around. So it depends how much you want to pay for a pair of heated gloves, because a lot of people out there will say, I don't need heated gloves because I don't get cold. Now, I don't believe that. Honestly, I don't believe that. There's nothing worse than being cold on a bike, shivering cold, hanging on to some heated grips that hardly work, that don't even warm your body up. Riding from here to Newbury Bridge, which is what, 8-9 mile away. I've done it in the middle of summer at 7 o'clock in the morning, and it's been 5-6 degrees. I've got there and it's absolutely freezing due to the wind chill factor. If it's 6 degrees, you're doing 70 mile an hour because of the dual carriageways. You could be looking somewhere around about -4, if not more. So if you're riding at -4 for what, 15 minutes, you're telling me you're not going to get cold? Don't believe you. Heated is the way to go. You could layer up and layer up and layer up, but as soon as your body core temperature and your hand temperature and all the blood takes everything away from your extremities, you become cold and you'll never warm up again. Get yourself a pair. Get the wife to buy you a pair for Christmas, honestly. They're a godsend, and people love heated grips. I'm fine with heated grips, but heated grips, you only get that bit, and you hang on, don't you? You hang on to them, and you're trying to keep warm, and the rest of your body's freezing. Bit of a short one this week again. I&J's heated gloves due out yesterday, day before, 5th, Friday. This is Sunday. Link and everything will be in the description down below. There'll be a discount code, be affiliated link. I get a knockback for it to pay to allow me to produce these videos and everything like that. But yeah, they're a nice stylish glove. Like I said, they're slightly shorter, which is quite nice, isn't it? They're not the long, big, massive gauntlets, and all the protection, everything you need to do. Windproof, waterproof. What would you want in a pair of gloves? So thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Please give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget, while you're there, instead of giving a big thumbs up, a couple of things next to it, that way, won't it? There's a hype button. Press that hype button for me. That tells YouTube to send it to all of the people, and hopefully we get a little bit more for the subscribers. So thanks to all the subscribers out there that have subscribed to the channel, all the people that have been watching. A couple of weeks ago we went viral on Facebook. It's still up at the moment where we're going. We've had to ban some people off Facebook for that. We're up to what, 1.8 million views. Woohoo! The Ferrari will be ordered soon. Anyway, if you just stumbled across us, please consider subscribing. Free. Don't charge you for it. No membership round here. I don't have time to do all that membership stuff. I've got a full-time job. Check out our sponsors, Epic Motorcycle Tours. Links down there. Tour around the Lake District. We have a couple of hire bikes which we've showed you before. Yeah, and this will be what, the 8th of November, I would say that it's out. Is it the 8th? 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th? Yeah, I think it's the 8th. On the Sunday. Happy Sunday. And if you're riding out there, don't forget, ride safe, be safe, keep safe. And as they say, we'll see you soon.
Like and subscribe.